On YouTube, it's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades I journal my trades using my live, and I also, yes, I do backtrack my trades also. I also help you guys out. Got any questions, anything you want to know, I'll let you know anything I know. You know what I'm saying? Free game here. So, yeah, I help you guys on your trades. You got any questions, you can put them in the comments. But market just opened up. We had a big gap up overnight. Spot gapped up way above that 524 level that we closed. We closed right around 530 level. My bad. So we gapped up all the way to about 540 level. So we're gonna watch SPY, see how it reacts. So we already did make a big move overnight. So usually when we make a big move, might start off a little choppy. We got a lot of Fed speakers today, so want to watch our highs and lows, pre-market highs, pre-market lows. Watch and see if they break. I don't have my ORB up. Give me 1 second. Why I can't click my stuff? That's crazy. All right, there we go. Dang, they missed. Gotta redo this right quick. Give me 1 second. $9.30 to $9.45. All right. Had to fix my ORB right quick. I don't know how my stuff just went off. All right, we good. So we got a weekly level right here at 542 on SPY. So we want to see if SPY can stay above this 540 and also this 542. Most RSI. All right. See what everything else doing. I am on a 2-minute chart, guys. Good morning in the chat. What it do? Christian, what it do? What it do, Mason? What it do? Good morning. Let's get paid. Hell yeah, you already know. You already know. So QQQ just got above pre-market high right here. Let's see if it holds up here. AMD. See what Tesla doing. Google taking off. Damn. So yesterday, when we was uptrending, yeah, I did come back to the chart. You already know I'm gonna come back to the chart. I did see that uptrend. I got in Google yesterday, but it really didn't do nothing. Damn. We're gonna see if QQQ can pull back for us. What it do, black tie? Let's get it bad. Hell yeah, you already know what's up. Netflix pulling back right here. Got Netflix, Tesla pulling back, Apple SPY rejecting a little bit. So when you see it, actually, when you also see a big, what to do, Mindful Matters? Good morning. When you see a big, gap up overnight, my bad, a big gap up overnight, I'm watching QQQ, man. See if we break and retest this pre-market high right here. But yeah, so when you see a gap up overnight, QQQ just got rejected. The next day can be a little choppy. I said that earlier, but just letting you guys know, can be a little choppy. Still watching though. Let's see what happens. Nvidia pretty bearish right now. Tesla pretty bearish. See if QQQ reclaims this high. But if SPY loses this 540 right here, we're probably gonna go down a little bit. We're gonna chill though. We're gonna wait. See, wait the first 15, 20 minutes, see what's going on. 15, 20, 30 minutes. Don't want to jump in too early. Netflix rejecting. Damn, Apple. All right, yeah. Okay, got some news came in. Got some news came in. There's QQQ. I'm gonna load up QQQ calls. Damn. News just came, man. I'll let it settle. Let it settle. Let it settle. Let it settle. News just came in, guys. What is it? 938. All right. Volatility is high. Some news just dropped. Give me 1 second. Yeah, good no trade. Good no early trade. Let's see what's going on right here. I don't know what's going on right here. Still on the 2-minute chart. So it looked like we came down, wicking off of yesterday's high. I mean, yesterday's pre-market, overnight's pre-market high. Yeah, I don't see any news right now. If you see me looking, I'm looking at other screens. Usually when I'm trading, I have CNBC or CNN pulled up just in case some weird news come out. I'm wondering why the chart's doing some stupid shit. That's why I just keep the news up. Let's see. Microsoft. I'm gonna load up Microsoft puts right here. I'm gonna go light, just go light early. I'm gonna load up Microsoft puts. We got rejected right here. All right, I just got filled on Microsoft puts. So we keep getting rejected right here off of this 380 level. If you expand the chart up, see how we can keep getting rejected right there off of that 380 level. See if we can get a quick scalp out of that. All right, I'm up 4% on Microsoft puts right now. See if SPY rejects right here. We want to see SPY reject. We already rejected twice. SPY keep getting rejected. See what happens. I'm sitting right around -3% right now. I just loaded up Microsoft puts. It didn't really go how SPY did. It kept getting rejected right here around this 380 level. Microsoft. Actually, yesterday's high, pre-market high. So the pre-market high is at 377. So yeah, my stop loss right here is the top of this ORB, 5-minute ORB right here. Let's see what happens. Sitting right around break even. First trade, I'm light as hell. What it do? Positive insights. Good morning. I'm up 4% on Microsoft puts right now. There we go. I'm up 6%. I don't know why Microsoft not losing it. How SPY losing it? There we go. I'm up 7%. Come on, man. We need to get under this 200 moving average. "30 seconds on this candle. It's 9:43 on the clock. Sitting at 8% on Microsoft puts. Microsoft lose it here. I take a quick scalp, but SPY's regaining 542. Sitting right around break even. Go ahead and lose it, SPY. I don't want to lose it. Still getting rejected. Another rejection. What it do, JM? Good morning. Good morning. I'm in Microsoft puts right now. I'm sitting right around break even, -1% right now. Microsoft really don't have that strength that SPY QQQ have. Let's see what NVIDIA. So we're not really moving towards the upside. I'm back. 3 Microsoft. Damn, it's bouncing off this level. Still holding. I'm only down 6%. Still getting rejected. Yeah, like they're just burning contrast right now. Trend price action kind of getting a little weak. It's really not getting any strength above that 542, but can't be biased. If it wants to go up, then we'll just take our exit. You know what I'm saying? If it want to keep going. Down 13% right now. Let's see. Stop loss is right here at this 380 level where we got rejected at before. Still getting rejected over here on SPY. Yeah, SPY about to fall here in a second. Damn, SPY. That's what you want to do today, huh? See, we get rejected right here. 9:47 on the clock. Let's check the 15-minute ORB. So it's kind of still sitting in a little range right now. Still sitting in between the 15-minute range. SPY is still getting rejected. Tesla breaking the bottom of ORB right now. Towards the downside. Down 14% on Microsoft puts. SPY just grinding up slowly. SPY gets above ORB and holds it. That'll be my confirmation that we will be bullish for a little bit this morning, but price action kind of slowing down. You see this volume right here, volume slowing down right here. That's why I'm still holding. Let's see. Only down 12%. I'm in Microsoft puts right now. SPY trying to grind. Got bull, we got bearish divergence right here on SPY. Johnny said Amazon. All right, Amazon breaking ORB. I'm about to call it quits on this Microsoft put. Let's see what happens right here. All right, SPY's rejecting here a little bit. See how see if it rejects back under this 542 level. AMD at the top of 15-minute ORB. Yeah, I see that. I see that right there. Let's see if we can come back down and retest. So we up above ORB, but I want to come back down to retest the ORB. Microsoft not really holding too much. Well, it's holding this level, but it's not getting above. God damn, look at Amazon. Is that 180 level? Yeah, that's that 180 level. Opposite. You see how SPY really don't have a lot of volume behind it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna take my stop. I'm gonna stop out of Microsoft. Damn, I should have took that fucking pullback right there. It's all good though. I stopped out of Microsoft. I lost 20%, $80 a contract. It's all good. We'll find a pullback. Let's see what happens. We got Amazon pulling back right here. Let me get Amazon over here. Oh my God. Are you gonna really pull back right now? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me, dog? I'm gonna load up see what happens. I'm watching right here. I'm watching. We pulling back. I was waiting on this, bro. Every time I get out of a trade, it does the move that I'm waiting on. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, bro, for real. That's how y'all do us. It made the move right when I got out. Microsoft did. $9.54 on the clock. Let's see what happens right here. Yup. Pulling back just like I said it was gonna do. As soon as I get out, Microsoft it dropped. Yeah, I know. Same shit. I was waiting on it, man. I did jump in a little bit in the video put. I didn't call it because it's a real aggressive trade. I did jump in some puts as soon as we rejected this 200. Damn. It's all good though. Yeah, I'm in the video right now. I got in up here though. I kind of got in late. That's why I didn't call it to you guys, but I'm up 11% on the video. The video puts right now. It's about to break ORB. Let's see if it breaks. 24 seconds on this candle. There we go. There we go. Oh shit, and the video going. I'm up 16% on the video. Microsoft puts just ain't work out. I just had to switch to NVIDIA. See what happens right here. 9:56 on the clock. Still up 7% on the video puts. Up 10%. So we get on the ORB right here. We know this trend has switched. Tesla was at the bottom of ORB, but it didn't really go. Damn. 58 seconds on this candle. Got a little pullback right here. SPY really hasn't it got over 542, but it really didn't stay up there with any strength. That SPY 542 right there. Still getting rejected. 22 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. Sitting at break even on the video. I kind of got a late feel. My stop loss right here is 200 moving average. SPY not showing no strength above that 542. It just don't want to really reject like that. I don't know why. Just a battle between the bulls and the bears right now. See, we bounce right here off this 9 EMA on the video. I'm still in the video push right here. I'm negative 3% right now. This QQQ getting rejected right here. It's 103.60 right here. That's my stop loss on the video. Slow morning session. Slow morning. Yeah, I'm about to get out in the video, man. All right, big rejection. Another big rejection. Okay. You gonna keep rejecting or what? It look like 10 o'clock news. Yeah, that's 10 o'clock news. I'm moving to the 5 minute chart, guys. God damn it. Let me let this settle out. Moving to the 5 minute chart. See if we reject right here. All right, 5 minute chart. Yeah, so it's a lot of Fed speakers today. So the market might move here kind of weird here early. It's a lot of Fed speakers speaking today. I'm still in the video puts. Sitting right around break even right now. Back green. I'm back green again. We're back green on the video puts. We still sitting in the range, so it's not really no clean movements. I'm just trying to get what I can get out of this shit right here. I'm up 6%. Let's see if we reject. SPY needs to get under this 542. Still holding. It is not. SPY do not want to lose it though. I'm up 8% right now. Still bouncing. I'm gonna trim right here at 8%. I'm gonna trim right here at 8%. All right. Let's see if we make the move or not. Back up 9%. NVIDIA puts. Yeah, we choppy today, man. We kind of chopping around today, not gonna lie. This early. I'm up 9% on NVIDIA puts. Kind of chopping around today. Probably make a bigger move later on today. That's how it's usually been happening these past couple days, man. I'm up 10% on NVIDIA. 11%. I'm gonna take another trim right here at 12%. NVIDIA puts. See if we stay on the ORB right here. 55 seconds on this candle. Up 14% NVIDIA puts. Let's see if we can break this low right here. There we go. Break the low. Broke the low and bounced up a little bit. Still up 15%. SPY don't know what it want to do over here, man. It did this a couple days ago. Like last week, we were sitting right around this range. 542, right between 542 and 550, and it just played around for like 2 days at a time. Played around right around this level. Stop loss up here is right here, right where this ADMA is. Chop, 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 chop session, guys. But you knew a chop day was kind of coming though, because we had 2 great trending days. But for right now, we chopping around. Amazon got up above ORB, but hasn't really done nothing. Cause I did see Spy. Spy was slowing down with his price action. QQQ. Yeah, man, we just ranging, sitting in the range right now, man. I'm down 5% on the video. Probably about to exit this right here. Damn, look at Netflix. Damn, how I missed that? At 10 a.m., that's what Netflix did. Netflix kind of the only chart got strength. Everything else is weak. Apple went up, got pulled back. Nvidia. Microsoft still ain't going nowhere. It's probably about to lose this right here. See how it's Microsoft. All right, we got a rejection right here. Microsoft, it moving sideways right at the top of ORB, not really getting over ORB. That's how you just know we getting weak and we kind of overbought on the RSI right here. We had that big gap up over overnight pre-market. Sitting right around break even on the video puts. Still getting rejected right here on the video. That's why that 103.60 is my stop. That's the level right there. It's really right around 103.50, but I'm gonna give it a little leeway. We just chopping around, guys. It's choppy today, so you really ain't gonna get no clean movements early. Oh shit! Look at Google. Yeah, I'm about to get out in the video. I'm down 9% right now. Google. All right, NVIDIA pulling back from that, from my stop. Only down 6% though. What was that? Google? Is that Google right there? All right, dog, I'm about to get out of About to get out of about to get out of the video. I'm gonna take some of this Google right here, right above ORB. Let's see what happens right here. All right, guys, I'm out of the video. Hit my stop. That 103.60 was my stop. Yeah, man, got stopped out on the video and what was that? So this is why I start off the day light. You see, I was light on that first trade, only lost $80. I was light on the second trade, but I took out one con when we was up 8%. We was up 8%. They gave me back a little bit, but still lost a little bit on there. But that's why I don't go heavy when it started off. You know what I'm saying? If you go heavy starting off, you take that big first loss, now you mad. You know what I'm saying? Go light, you can recover from $100 loss. That's nothing. You can recover from that. You can't. It's kind of hard to recover 500, 600, 700, 800 down on the day. Now you got to go play with the most size trying to get your money back. You don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm watching Google right here. If we can get above this previous candle right here. Goddamn, the video pulled all the way back. Amazon. Oh shit, Amazon. Spy breaking out right here. All right, I'm gonna take some of this Google right here. Google calls. Still light, guys. Still light. No price session. Not really going heavy right now. Stop loss is right here. This 9 EMA. We really don't have no price action though, man. Don't really got any price action. Damn. All right. I don't know, man. It ain't my day right here. I'm out of Google, man. I'm out of Google. Price action not really goddamn showing us what's up. 240. We bouncing off, but don't really got no movements right now. I'm watching this Tesla 250 reject though. SPY just taking all day to make the move. It's not even getting above 542. So we know the weakness is right there at 542 right there. The weakness is right there at 542. That's why we keep getting rejected right there. But we're not really moving with good price action right now. Meaning we in a chop session. You know what I'm saying? SPY gets to moving, everything gonna get to moving. Just got to be patient with it. We got no volume right now. What is it? Tuesday? Oh, it's Wednesday. Wednesday. They got back in. See how far SPY gonna pull back. So it's getting right under this 541 level. It needs to get below that open price level for us to see any movement. The open price level, this orange line, yellow line right there, that 540 level, that's where we opened up at. That's where we need to get under. But SPY stuck right in between these two weekly ranges. So until we get above it or below it, it's kind of gonna be choppy. Look, Netflix went up, got rejected back real hard. Big rejection on Netflix. SPY making a move now. See what Microsoft doing. Amazon, big pullback. Yeah, our buyers was right. Just taking all day to make the goddamn move. See how SPY reacts right here. It's sitting right at open price level. Right at the bottom of the ORB and right at that 539 weekly level SPY. And if you wonder where I get this weekly level from, I get it from right here. $245. Give me 1 second. So right here, you see how the top of these candles, weekly candles are meeting? That's how you know you're sitting right in between weekly ranges. All these candles meeting right above right at 540, 545. That's where I'm getting my weekly levels from. Damn, Microsoft's losing it now. What about Nvidia? Almost. See if spot holds this right here. If spot holds this right here, it's going back up in the chop. We needed to lose these levels right here. Pre-market high, open price level, this weekly level, the bottom of the ORB. We need to lose all of that. What is that? Pew. Real weak action. You say you stayed in Microsoft. Hopefully it drops. It actually did drop. Not really. It's still sitting right around. But the market is weak right now. It's gonna drop. It's just a matter of time if you can hold it until it drops. You know what I'm saying? It's very weak right now. But if spot keeps holding this weekly level, this 540 level, might not get it. I'm watching this Tesla right here. See if we reject. No, it's not rejecting. It's not rejecting that 250 level. $22 on this candle. Shitty ass market today, man. Shitty ass market, not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you. No price action really. Yeah, man. If you green today, man, stay green. Stay green. I'm down a little bit, not too much, but I'm down on the day. But I wasn't heavy at all, so I ain't mad at what I'm down. You know what I'm saying? I can easily recover. We can only do what the market presents to us. If the market don't present to us no money, hey, keep your losses tight. When the market figure out market want to really give us some price action, that's when we make the money. You know what I'm saying? Like yesterday, choppy session. Google still sitting at the top of ORB. Microsoft, Netflix. Yeah, I'm good on this, man. I'm not finna throw my money at this unless I really know the trend. How I will really know the trend is switching if we get above the ORB level or above any of the consolidation levels. You know what I'm saying? So like right here on QQQ, see how we consolidated right at the top of ORB. So if we get above that and pull back and we can hold that level up here, then I would be interested in taking a trade. But it's not really doing that today. Not giving us the movements how we wanted it. Like yesterday, that bitch 9:45, we was already breaking the ORB. When you see that, now it's time to load them up, load the boat up, load the boat up. When you see that, choppy session. Time is at 10:28 on the clock. 10:28 on the clock, man. But yeah, we took a couple trades. Microsoft try to get Microsoft puts from this. I kept seeing it getting rejected right here at this 380 level, but really didn't follow through with the movements. Got stopped out right there on Microsoft. Nvidia, we got inputs over here. We got about it was up about 15%. We got about 9% out of the first con, and then the other con got stopped out a little bit. But I'm keeping all the losers tight, man. All the losers tight. When we're running, let the winners run. Let the winners run. You know what I'm saying? Let them run. You want to cut your losses tight because you're going to lose. Everybody know that you are going to lose. You're going to lose, but you want to keep your losses tight. If I had 100% win rate, goddamn, I probably wouldn't even be trading right now if I had a 100% win rate. If you had a 100% win rate, I'd just make a billion and get out the market, right? If I had a 100% real win rate, right? Nobody has a 100% win rate. If anybody tell you that, they capping, big capping, big capping, man. But yeah, man, we chopping around right here, man. You see, Spy didn't do nothing the whole goddamn hour. Our market's been over. Spy hasn't done it, moving sideways. If we get above 542, stay above our ORB levels, we could see a nice trend start like we have been seeing the past few days. But it ain't happening today, man. It ain't happening today. But all right, man, it's your boy Clark. I'm gonna call it a morning right now. I come back and check the charts later. I don't know about y'all, man, but later when I get on the chart like 12 or 1, man, that market moving. I got normal pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Might have to start going live in the afternoon, man, because that's how I've been hitting all my plays here lately. But that's gonna do it for me this morning, man. I'll be back in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Hopefully, we get some better charts than this bullshit right here. Hopefully, we get some better charts. But keep your risk intact. Don't throw all your money at this choppiness unless you see a good trend. Still, don't throw all your money. You want to average yourself in, average into your trades, man. But it's your boy Clark, man. I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy. Have a good one, man.